If you're eating the wrong snacks every day, you might be slowly losing muscle, and you don't even realize it. Most people think muscle loss only happens when you stop working out or get older. That's not true. Your muscles are active 24 hours a day. Even when you're resting, your body is either building muscle or breaking it down. And here's the scary part. Some of the most common snacks sitting in your kitchen right now are doing the exact opposite of what you think. Instead of helping your muscles grow, they're actually weakening them over time. Too much sugar, too little protein, and zero recovery support. And the worst thing? You probably think they're completely harmless. In this video, I'm going to show you the top 4 best snacks you must eat to protect and save your muscles. No expensive supplements, no crazy diets, just simple, powerful foods. Because the truth is, muscle loss doesn't happen overnight. It happens quietly. But the good news? Your body can rebuild stronger muscles if you give it the right fuel. Stay with me, because snack number 3 surprises most people. And snack number 4 is probably already in your kitchen. Number 1. Most people think yogurt is just a light and simple snack. But when you combine Greek yogurt with nuts, it becomes a powerful tool for protecting and rebuilding your muscles. Your muscles constantly go through a process of breakdown and repair, even when you're not working out. And without enough protein, this balance can shift in the wrong direction. Greek yogurt is rich in high-quality protein, especially casein, which digests slowly and provides a steady release of amino acids to your muscles over several hours. This slow digestion is important because it helps prevent muscle breakdown and supports recovery over a longer period of time, instead of just giving a quick boost. When you add nuts like almonds or walnuts, you take this snack to another level. Nuts provide healthy fats that support hormone balance, which plays a key role in muscle growth and recovery. They are also packed with magnesium, a mineral that helps reduce muscle cramps, improve muscle function, and support overall recovery after physical activity. This combination not only feeds your muscles, but also supports the systems that help your muscles perform better. Another important benefit is that this snack helps stabilize your energy levels. Instead of causing a quick spike and crash like sugary snacks, the mix of protein and healthy fats keeps your energy steady, which is essential for maintaining strength and avoiding fatigue throughout the day. This makes it a perfect option between meals or after light activity, giving your body exactly what it needs to stay strong and continue building muscle efficiently. Number 2. Boiled eggs are one of the simplest yet most effective snacks you can eat to protect and support your muscles on a daily basis. Your body relies on a steady supply of protein to repair and maintain muscle tissue. And eggs provide a complete source of protein containing all the essential amino acids your muscles need. This is especially important because your body cannot produce these amino acids on its own, so you must get them through your diet. One of the key amino acids found in eggs is leucine, which plays a direct role in triggering muscle protein synthesis, the process your body uses to build and repair muscle fibers. Another advantage of boiled eggs is how efficiently your body can absorb and use the nutrients they provide. Unlike many processed snacks, eggs deliver clean, high-quality nutrition without added sugars or harmful ingredients that can slow down recovery or increase inflammation. This makes them an ideal choice for maintaining lean muscle and preventing unnecessary muscle breakdown throughout the day. They are also rich in important nutrients like vitamin B12 and choline, which support energy production and help your muscles function properly during physical activity. Boiled eggs are also incredibly convenient, making them easy to include in your daily routine without much effort. You can prepare them in advance and have a ready-to-eat snack whenever your body needs a protein boost. Because they are filling and satisfying, they help control hunger and reduce the chances of reaching for unhealthy snacks that offer little nutritional value. This steady support helps your muscles stay fueled, recover more effectively, and maintain strength over time. Number 3. Protein bars have become one of the most convenient snacks for supporting muscle health, especially for people who have busy schedules and cannot always prepare full meals. However, the real benefit comes from choosing the right type of protein bar. A high-quality protein bar provides your muscles with a quick and efficient source of protein that helps reduce muscle breakdown and supports recovery after physical activity. When your body goes too long without protein, it can start breaking down muscle tissue for energy, which is exactly what you want to avoid if your goal is to stay strong and maintain muscle mass. One of the biggest advantages of protein bars is their portability. You can carry them anywhere, whether you're at school, work, or traveling, and have instant access to muscle-supporting nutrition when you need it most. This makes them especially useful after workouts, when your muscles are in a recovery phase and need nutrients quickly. A good protein bar typically contains a balanced amount of protein, along with some healthy fats and carbohydrates, which helps replenish energy levels, while also supporting muscle repair. It is important to be careful when selecting a protein bar, because many options on the market are loaded with added sugars, artificial flavors, and unnecessary fillers. These ingredients can reduce the overall benefit and even work against your fitness goals by increasing inflammation or causing energy crashes. Choosing a bar with a clean ingredient list and a good protein content ensures that you are giving your body real support instead of empty calories. When used wisely, protein bars can act as a reliable backup option that keeps your muscles fueled, protected, and consistently supported throughout the day. Number 4. Almonds and pumpkin seeds together create a powerful snack that supports muscle health in a deeper and more complete way than most people realize. While protein is essential for building and repairing muscles, your body also depends on key minerals and healthy fats to keep muscles functioning properly. This combination provides a balanced mix of protein, magnesium, zinc, and healthy fats, all of which play important roles in maintaining muscle strength and recovery. When your body lacks these nutrients, muscle fatigue, weakness, and slower recovery can become more common over time. Magnesium is one of the most important nutrients found in both almonds and pumpkin seeds. It helps regulate muscle contractions and relaxation, which is essential for preventing cramps and improving overall muscle performance. After physical activity, magnesium also supports recovery by helping muscles relax and reducing tension. Zinc is another key mineral in this mix, and it plays a crucial role in muscle repair and growth by supporting the body's natural recovery processes. It also contributes to maintaining healthy hormone levels, which are important for building and preserving muscle mass. Healthy fats in this snack provide long-lasting energy, allowing your body to stay fueled without sudden crashes. This steady energy is important for maintaining strength throughout the day and supporting consistent physical performance. Unlike processed snacks that can cause spikes in blood sugar, this natural combination helps keep your energy stable and your body balanced. Because it is nutrient-dense, a small portion is enough to deliver real benefits without overeating. Keeping this mix as a regular part of your routine can quietly support your muscles by improving recovery, maintaining strength, and helping your body perform at its best every day.